how's everybody doing? It's Emmanuel, and in this video I'm going to be explaining 2 ways that a business can use social media marketing in 2019. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let's get straight to it. So in this video, again, I'm going to be explaining how any business can use social media marketing in 2019. So that can be a dentist or an orthodontist, a chiropractor, a car repair shop, pretty much anything. If you're not using social media currently, might as well say you need to. We're coming close to the end of 2018 and going to 2019, and it just keeps on getting bigger and bigger. So social media, that can be Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and there are plenty of ways that you can be able to use that. So the first number one thing is creating content that's engaging your audience and also being able to capture them. So that can mean either by creating videos that's talking about your services. So let's say, for example, if you're an orthodontist, you're talking about the services that you offer, but not just in a way to be able to acquire the clients. This is more of like how Gary Vee talks about a jab and a right hook and a boxing type, where the jab's educating people about what necessarily they might, misconceptions about coming to the orthodontist, or it might be things that they didn't know, tips on what they can do at home to be able to prevent, kind of themselves for reaching to the point that they need to. If you're a chiropractor, what to do if let's say you're targeting crossfitters, different mobility exercises to do. Personally, I go to the gym a lot, so I like to watch different mobility exercises because you always don't want to do, if you're not working on mobility, then you're going to be stiff. So you want to create engaging content that's going to be able to pretty much come and attract people, and you can be able to post that on Instagram, on Facebook, on Twitter, or on all three at the same exact time, and also on YouTube. Just like the video you're watching right now, by being able to create videos are engaging. Of course, text is still there, but also creating videos as well. And with that is also using platforms, advertising and paying for advertising on Facebook, Google, YouTube, Instagram. Facebook owns Instagram and Google owns YouTube, so you can do certain Facebook ads, so you can target people to watch a certain video and you can get detail down. So for example, if you're a dentist and let's say you have a teeth whitening offer, you can be able to target a campaign. You're targeting a certain audience, certain age, a certain mile radius from where you are to be able to attract them to you and tailor the ad specifically to them. So that can be either a free teeth whitening offer. If you're a restaurant, that can be a free meal on your birthday when they enter the rewards program. If you're a chiropractor, that's your free initial adjustment. So being able to use the platform or your advertising on there will really help you a lot. With that, also marketing your reviews. Don't manage your reviews, but market them. What that means is show off what you're doing. And also at the same exact time, you want to show off your great reviews, but also show that you're a human being, and everybody human being messes up. So again, those are 3 tips, kind of 2, but 3 they can be able to use for any businesses for social media marketing in 2019, creating engaging content, using online advertising platforms. Also, as well as the bonus tip is marketing your reviews, because you don't make money managing your reviews, you make money marketing your reviews. So if you have any questions about these and maybe how you can implement these to your business or how you can be able to do this, feel free to contact me below. My email is always right there. I'm going to be making some more YouTube videos like this to be able to educate everybody, at least from what I know and what I've been able to do. Again, thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all later. Bye-bye.
Growing up, I was a running back. You never made me ran once. I got shot, sweat, started running.